Since I started losing the weight, my confidence level has gone through the roof. The compliments are great. My wife will point out, like, there's more definition here. Being heavy always affects the personal life. I seen a picture of myself at a Padres game, and I had a back roll that came over the chair. And that was the moment, like, oh, I gotta do something. Something's gotta change. With Meal Prep Sunday, I lost 5 pounds in 10 days, and man, I've been addicted to the progress ever since. It was affecting my job, affected my life. 3-year-old grandson, keeping up with him with my weight was not fun. It wasn't fun. Feeling better, so that keeps the energy levels up, and then that's a motivation. It keeps you motivated, keeps me want to do it, making me want to do even more and more and more. 46 years old. It's hard to do stuff and change your ways and lose weight. It's been easy. It's been really easy. They deliver the food free, calculate your macros for you. They got juices that'll boost your metabolism, and they even got an app filled with workouts and info to get you where you want to get to. Check them out.